Carob trees are present in the entire Mediterranean basin, in particular in Mallorca, off the Spanish coast. The specific climatic conditions of the Balearic Islands are perfectly suited for the development of this tree with leathery leaves and a deep root system. Its rustic nature and capacities to adapt to environmental constraints help soils threatened by erosion and desertification to regenerate. SILAB became interested in locust bean gum, particularly rich in oligogalactomannans, molecules able to favor tissue regeneration. The company teamed up with 2 Mallorcan partners to ensure product quality and traceability starting at the parcel of land. A first partnership was formed with a cooperative of local growers practicing traditional arboriculture. Cultures of carob trees are not irrigated, intermingled with almond trees and sheep farming. Carob pods reach ripeness around September and October and turn dark brown, explaining their nickname Mediterranean black gold. The beans are of constant size and were historically used as a measurement unit, the carat, to weigh pearls and gems. They are harvested by hand before being shelled. A second partner ensures transformation into locust bean gum. The seeds are skinned and dried. They are finally stripped of their germ and ground until the final carob bean gum is obtained. Culture and carob transformation were subjected to a control audit that validated their compliance with SILAB's quality, environment and regulation requirements. This raw material is used by SILAB in France for the development of the repairing active ingredient Glyco Repair.